Nucypher is a cryptographic structure that gives a security and protection layer for decentralized applications and public blockchain networks. Nucypher empowers designers to store, share, and oversee private information across numerous blockchains while allowing engineers to delegate data across a few applications. Nucypher is an Ethereum-based network that includes a decentralized key administration framework, encryption, and access control administration that settle the issues of putting away and controlling data. The enterprises, for example, banking and medical care areas that arrangement with a colossal volume of subtleties influence the benefits of Nucypher security encryption frameworks. The Nucypher network was helped to establish by Michael Egrove and McLean Wilkerson in 2015. The two principal innovation administrations given by Nucypher incorporate powerful access control and mystery the executives. Dynamic access control restrictively awards and repudiates admittance to delicate information, while secret administration framework stores delicate data like passwords and confidential keys. This is accomplished with the assistance of Umbrel and Ursula. Previous is the encryption plan of Nucypher and later is an organization of working hubs. Umbrel assists with keeping the information secretly and share it without taking a chance with its security. Here the proprietors will furnish the coding privileges to the collectors with the assistance of intermediary hubs. This intermediary hub is called Ursula, which plays out the re-encryption for the beneficiaries. Ursula doesn't approach information, however they perform encryption by applying conditions. Ursula stake Nu to continue with network exercises and get recently mined tokens. How does the Nucypher organize work? In the main stage, a proprietor can scramble information with the public key and transfer it to shared appropriated document frameworks like IPFS, Multitude, or some other stockpiling layer to store and share content across decentralized networks. Proprietors need to make and transfer re-encryption keys to the Nucypher organization to dole out admittance to legitimate beneficiaries. In the subsequent stage, Ursula acknowledges the re-encryption keys. In return for expenses and block rewards, Ursula, a digger, will rekey information. Neither the stockpiling layer nor Ursula approaches plain text. In the third stage, the beneficiary passes an entrance solicitation to the Nucypher organization. On the off chance that a substantial re-encryption key exists, information will be rekeyed to the beneficiary's public key, and the beneficiary is permitted to resepulcher it with the confidential key. Nucypher specialized investigation. The verifiable value graph of Nucypher is intriguing. Nucypher took off altogether on October 15, 2021, on the event of the principal commemoration of the coin. The consolidation news from the group supported the flood. The white paper of Nucypher was distributed in 2017, and the token began exchange in 2020. After the new cost flood, the market valuation of the coin climbed multiple billion USD, and it was a similar period altcoin market cap contacted around $2 billion. Moreover, after this Nucypher cost made a spike, the interest for new coins in the digital currency market expanded. Financial backers are pondering the purpose for the Nucypher digital currency rush. The new cost activity had occurred around the same time when the coin was recorded with Upbit, one of the renowned digital currency trades in Korea. Nucypher cost today is exchanging at $0.4875 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $46,651,755.09. The market cap is $342,736,514.25, with a coursing supply of 703 million Nu. The everything time high is set apart at $3.58. Coin market cap, on October 15, 2021. The unequaled low is $0.0611, which was on November 2020. The ongoing cost is around 79%, not exactly the greatest cost, and it is because of the selling tension after the unequaled high. Overflowing interest has gradually gone to a pullback in costs. The present cost and volume plunged contrasted with the earlier days. Specialized examination of Nucypher Nu demonstrates that, following 1 year of sideways moves, Nu has abruptly soared and was moved by colossal volume in October. The Flame's initial cost of Nucypher was $0.28135, and the end cost of Nucypher was $1.407. Considerably more. October 2021 was the month when the BTC and altcoin market was extra strong, and the crypto market saw a tremendous market cap appreciation. Consequently, many coins heightened to an untouched high. Nucypher new cost uncovered a fading negative energy on the day-to-day diagram by making more promising low points. There is a slipping example in the pattern line, as displayed in the diagrams. Nucypher cost has stayed driven by bad opinions throughout the previous 2 months, debilitating the pattern. However, financial backers have trust for the coin's future. They haven't begun amassing the symbolic now because of the new cost sink. Nucypher value expectation 2022. New coin value expectation is expected to start at 80 cents. The future cost might tumble to 65 cents toward the finish of 2022. Consequently, the typical cost is anticipated at 63 cents. Nucypher coin forecast 2023. Nucypher crypto cost forecast theorize a beginning at 70 cents. New value forecast is progressively going up and is supposed to hit 87 cents inside the main quarter. Nucypher coin cost forecast predict an end at 74 cents constantly end. Nucypher value forecast 2024. Nucypher forecasts are expected to open at 85 cents and proceed with the earlier year's pattern. The year's underlying half might show a delayed vertical development and is supposed to cross $1.05 by the primary half. The cost will again tumble to 73 cents toward the finish of 2024. Nucypher value expectation 2025. New crypto cost expectation predicts a beginning at $1.09. The most extreme cost anticipated for 2025 is $1.18. By and large, Nucypher cryptographic money is a productive venture for what's to come. Nucypher value expectation 2026. Breaking down the future cost of Nucypher for a 5-year timetable uncovers it has a long-haul procuring potential. In light of our Nucypher cost estimate, the most extreme worth is supposed to reach 97 cents continuously end. Though the base worth and normal cost for the year will be 79 cents and 89 cents individually. Specialized examination demonstrates Nucypher new settled beneath the center line of the Bollinger Band, and the Bollinger Band is crushing. On equilibrium volume pointer was in a downtrend, it has moved evenly for the last week. The contrast between the opening and shutting new cost of the candle is extremely low and exchanging volume personal truth be told.